survive under these people. Reckless, incompetent, the brebenyin ye pejenja.
Episode 4, aha, AyEka SMTVGH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature, I'll probably be notified.
Message every Dr. Bawumia fie and in the office in Bremo. Pitida ye winnie elections. Papa de onya and 9 crown van in 9 baby. Said the pair fee where but it is understandable and he is happy to receive everybody who comes. In a party for party in penny for a mu lawyer for a mu young people, a mu test con. Whoever has passed through Dr. Bawumia's house, MPs, former MPs, PCs, munyina yadamwase, nyami shramu. Just as the doctor said, no, this is a win for the MPP. Yes, shaya niema. Now we will come back greater in 2028. Makani say we know.
But Auntie Ellen, we are also monitoring to see some. We are monitoring closely to see whether we see some people, and so far we are not seeing those people.
Oh, Oba Brebia, no when you are your own conscience, ejejo. Aha. It is our Crawford now also now. I am sure their conscience is me sure say binum drive it Dr. Bawumia junction ho no more than if you saw if you read Dr. Bawumia fie ura ne yard mu ha any can share be hwe no enye doctor no doctor dia on so nsem na so be free gate na no akwa do sitting room ho no na wa ne wa famu no so to be kodu ha na nyame do Dr. Bawumia ne yire de omo de why not utimi wura fie ho nko ana utimi wura omo sitting room ombejo na okwan a obefa so awuram akwa do sitting room ho no me swasufo wo ho abodanfo mo che me wo ho omo a mo tie kire kanti wo ho abayifo ye nyina ye gufie ho ya bre e wo Dr. Bawumia win we hu ye nyina ye gu ho onu de ye panyin onu ne yiri de omo ye mpanyinfo they have to receive people enti abayifo no kura ba omo de ombejo na how you will get to him that is the problem ti me ya sure say Crawford drive omo fire area mu ho omo hwe cars park ho ye hwe party fu a omo ani age ye yi ntoma ye yi party flag ye hurihuri onya ya enka obe banso na no kasa enti onti mimba nti san Crawford de bra wunya omo ye nkora de abene koko nsem so
Okay.
But me can't say at this point in time, I will not blame Randy Abbey. It's only an incompetent president. Where put them you see incompetent to call me their channel. A grossly incompetent president. And the bet nasi say my friend me government in penny for 19 cabinet ministers plus cabinet secretary plus party general secretary plus party chairman party women's organizer ono any party for ne advisors bebrebe wa free emergency meeting enti ne ya soma no he ne oya de omu nyina nyai yemfa oman sika emra ye ba ye den a ye ba bedwin oman ho ebe pass and papa bi cabinet meeting there yakọ ha bra yakọ dwen oman ho ministers ayasoma mo nko ye we mra wo ba wo the results eba wo the proposals eba e ho no ye dwen policy ho na ye the instructions aba na CEOs ni omo wo ase ho no mo aye na whole government akate so mo waste me ni usika sika no mo fa nko ya de papa no ye de kwa akotena se na president no ono akwa akodwen koko a okwan ye be fa so atua koko Cocoa Farmesika. After almost 70 years of independence, ato cocoa. Aton cocoa. We have sold cocoa for more than almost 70 years. It has to take you, a grossly incompetent president. Where's our Greek minister with his 2 deputies? Where's the CEO of cocoa board with his 2 deputies? Where the CEO of cocoa marketing company with his 2 deputies? They say the palm can only pan 9 and
Yeah.
6.
6.
Debut 9. The minister and his deputies
Yeah,
2.
9. 9, no, 9. Yeah.
You cocoa board
I
almost
9.
here 3.
9.
Marketing
nine.
company 3. 9
Yeah.
people are yedi sikatiomoka. Who president would this say? Eduma no betimi aye. Etu di ashomunsa. Na san nipa nkron yi na yi akotena ho afe ba akunie. Ebinsi kromu had yes the last time e ba ya ne yentimi ntua kokofu ka during the 1982 Hunger times.
Oh,
Me, I was born in 1982.
I see.
September. Rollins Yeniku 1982 June. 1982 muho. Ini yesi Ghana yeto yaji kokofu tika yenye sika ntu yomoka. 44 years ago. 44 years ago. Na John Mahama person ochire yen say ono plus all his cabinet ministers and everybody plus all these 9 people. Ese so mo betena se ni ye ba behwe okwanya ye be fa so atua kokofu ka. Enye ni wuosem. Etu ka dem say Randy Abe no nyina nchen ono ye just one small figure in this whole mess. So pretended over by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Eti John Mahama na mo ye incompetent. Grammar de ye mfa ne nka bi ono nyina nchen agoro ya ye kan ono no nka ho. And then the finance minister to force another incompetent human being on say you koshini ye trofo. Because ono ne ho ka che kokofo no say nanado trimu edin. So we befa koko in 2017 from 475 cities. As at December 2024 he done nanado free abemu na koko ye 3,100 cities. And so to force na no sekan na no fia sekan sharp mouth eko gina kokofuo nu nkeka nsem na nado ye nipa boni ni no osisi omo no no ba obema omo 7,500 yera to force wo ye kohwini wo nye kohwini a enka obi gine 3,100 wo kwa kwotwa ntoro atoso wo biye ya wa mfa 6,000 7,000 na ama no ne 3,000 na wonya no so so maji kokko mi ntua oka Enti Randy Abe nyina nchen eya to force because he is the finance minister. And so le release sika no. Enti to force John Mahama omo yakutwifo. And they are incompetent. Some who wasting your time. Omo ko cabinet meeting ni bae wahu ade no mre bae. Monko mra meka asem nchen we ka say to force will talk tomorrow. He will talk on what? The long and short of the matter is that pay the cocoa farmers. It's the whole cabinet, the whole government are got nothing. For how many hours are your meeting? Asa babe catch and say, Obi babe kasa. On what? Sikano wahi. Koko for sikano wahi. That is what is important to everybody here.
Yeah.
It's in na meeting no more quiet. And sebi no sure quiet kwasi a meeting. And no sure quiet kwasi a meeting. John Mahama na mo a grossly incompetent. Me a Greek minister, you're grossly incompetent. Me the two deputies na ka ho. The finance minister to forcing is super grossly incompetent and a liar and a thief. Because I saw train baby sika no one na so woni baby e wo. Eti waba na afinie wontimi kura ntua ne na do gya ne kura ye ntimi ntua kokofo ne car. Now we are koshini we are kronfo because he can try na wo. And no more kwatena se akọ waste ye nyina ye time because we am kwatena se ye betua per diem.
Yeah. Full no nyina.
So they wasted our time, they wasted our money, they have wasted our resources and they came out with nonsense. They came out with nothing. A group of incompetent people led by the super incompetent John Dramani Mahama. Na mu koko fo no susu koko akuafo no ne Ghana for ye ka kire mu. Enye sasem na aba na nkrofo wu na nkrofo sika akokam omu hia de abobra ka meka se nyame na atwia mo ka no de sesa ma John Mahama. Na so ye be ye ne den. Ye maami num enom ho akire won, ye papa no nom ho akire won, ye busuafo nom ho akire won. Enti ya kaka ne sen a ese ye ka bi ma wo. Na nka normal circumstances ese ye ka bi ma wo. because they knew. Ya kachira mo sa ade no enye de omo ntimi nye. Na yemra koko board for so. Entokwa na anne asema aba ye ntimi ntue sika ni nyina eno na ye radwamahama ontimi nka 240 ntimi nka me ya amada eku de meka. Na meka because matise omomo aye adwuma wo koko sector ni mu oka. Tie nyina ye be repeat because obviously no denial has come enti ya ampa. Yes, Randy Abe take you over. No. Cocoa marketing company say it's a company, it's a subsidiary under the Cocoa Board. Now, omu edwumanie. Cocoa Board decided say cocoa no ye cocoa Ghana ye cocoa nyina ya toto no. Ye beton at this time. Ye beton at this rate. Ye beton in this contract. Ye beton mercy. Ye beton mercy. Na Cocoa Board in the board of directors I decided we are no more afraid cocoa marketing companies. So mo na mo ya marketers, mo na mo ton ade. Enti mo metna se and na wo hwe the world price, wo hwe the way cocoa si kona yen cocoa ni yen ton ne san, yen ton ne wo he, yen ton ma hwan. So it is a collaborative work. Patroni America not here. They have worked together and they have always worked together. And internet it has been seamless all these years. Because those two, a lot of people didn't even know that they were different companies. But that's how it's been. You see, Randy Abe take you over no. And now, nipa na no wo hona. Why ye juma for a long time. You see, nipa na director no, nipa na ho. The one in charge of the sales no. No, and I will say, MPP ni na way in edi. And I will promoting Nigeria. That is the next thing. And according to Omo, say the guy was good. He's good. He could easily replace his boss. After all, when you see you now, you were appointed under MPP. Now MPP Kofia. You do not expect it so better now. So the guy now who promotes a career person he didn't get to his position by politics. He's been in the system, he's been promoted. And around the Abe promoting and the almost starting ejuma. You see one day around the Abe in the office, Aquano in the office, marketing cocoa marketing company Aquano. And a convoy, a free Jubilee house with a letter. Nipane baya or say the president has appointed me. Say me boss. Enti ni Randy Abe na promoting no. Ya mutu ya kana si abonten ya pam no.
Full account.
Of course. Ya Randy Abe na ninye ho. Because me sure so no koye no ohun biribi wa abrantie nim no promoting no. Eni ese bra Randy susu emini ya ekutum kram ni buafu.
I see.
And it started when the guy took over. The CEO of Cocoa Board and the CEO, the managing director for Cocoa Marketing Company, Omon Kasa, Omunye meeting, Omunye. Now during that time na mansu ni jinamuno. Samre no na cocoa prices etimi rise do almost $10,000 a ton. 18 kasa and they were on good terms now almost drink Ghana for home and drink cocoa farmers who are some they should have sold cocoa. You check world markets almost very be hedging not just a main ton in neck and I mean ton or china may dream who say that there's a risk also in this. It's almost nothing. AyEka plan say ye cocoa no cry 100% and I 30%. Some ye 5%. I don't know if you get me. There are calculations. Sit down, look at the market forces, and then decide.
And I told force and say why hedging no ma you're good ntina waton. When you say press
Instead of them doing that, they were fighting. And then the sad thing is Randy Abe so call the technocrats no munim sad dey we nyina so transfer mu nyina.
Yo.
It's new ones na buy and so they also didn't understand the system.
Ayo.
Eti when ni bomb who so na mo si ye cocoa price here go na tie free $10,000 say ye ka say do $4,000.
AyΕka.
Eti Ghana ya boka over $6,000 per ton of cocoa ke ye betimi aton penye se managing directors mienu yiku ntokwa. Eno ya one. Number 2, yensi di ni dollar ina ya kwatiti sua nti se aban kra se opese odi onu aban sika nkwa putua cocoa fo ika aban beboka because yensi di no any dollar some amunim dollar aba from
Yeah.
enti asem no ne nie enkokwenti ni bikrin ne Ghana hu hia na me na me ya boss me na me ni nyansa me na me ba ha chenti ya boka. It say almost even another 3,100 na abaya boka abayi ni sika and abayi so me say omo ye grossly incompetent no bi ni me kwa. This is also another reason nyamia ya adum gold di America gold prices this speed. It's the whole of last year Ghana made so much money out of gold because the gold prices have gone up. Etu ya abanya agudrian enka gold prices no start to coin now the be to ho now the be to ho now the be to ho because emergency betimi aba te send akoko for the yabai say AyΕka say Ghana ye gold ni ya ton ye gold ni nyina na ye de sika na ye nya ye ni nyina de aba be support city enya me na me kan ye yes $10 billion.
Hey.
Akoko for ye nya 1 billion kwa betua woka wo ya kukuru ni nyina de aba support city enya no nko reserve
10 billion no Hope City scan no Hope City.
Aye. As I say kwa say more abeka ho. Omo wie na no sign no. Gold reserves are ye wura na do don ko ado ni Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia si yemfa gold ngu ho from back ye nsi dia ye togu ho no. Omo asan chemu mienu. Asan dia koton sa gold no asan dia support city. Eti say Ghana ye ti ha yi. Ye mu aye gold reserves ya chem tu. Ye mu aye koko ye ntimi anton because ye nti oseku enti ya boka. Enna se ye ni sika bebe bia ye betimi di yensa akobom ne de akoma ye nkoko akuafo yi. Enti se ye wura mahama ka cho se wa frame emergency cabinet meeting no mukope e kwadwe hu okwan ya be fa so amamu a ankomo na mukobo ye nnenani nie. Sika ne ekofa no wahi na ye koka ne sign na Ghana fo atiase ye se yakoto gold na ye sign to ye no se yase ambo hoka eno da ho aye nkan ye. Meanwhile, akuafo nyina of other products kohen of eburofu osu, rice fu osu, yam fu osu, intosu fu osu, the whole agriculture is a mess. Eti mi gina ha ka say Yewura Mahama or ye grossly incompetent. What for say me dikan? Eti ye ba mi e papa num kokofo ne de. Me mamo ya akọ. Na say this for pa be ye sika atu am ka say. Ye mompa ye bia na nyame de adum bi aba.
Yo, me da say, Auntie Ellen. Uncle Marcus, good evening. Can I have some 4 minutes on cocoa farmers for now?
Voice.
Yes.
Good evening to
Diaboko,
Sister Helen and yourself and your audience.
I'm calling for the
Voice,
resignation.
I just want to create a scenario there. Under our constitution, no, a president has the right to declare a state of emergency. Yes. Nti se assembly sikrono muna oye you can quickly call for emergency cabinet meeting to deal with it. Now, the circumstances under which I would refer emergency cabinet meeting oye hupa o Ghana. Where's no be akoye juma na wontia ko emergency meeting as
Incompetence, no, I don't know. Incompetence.
Hey, your papa abuse of worker. Wakoye jubo. Over the years, that is what they do. These are things that ordinary people do. Cocoa farmers, you earmark money, they buy, they sell, and then you pay them back. How can we sit down for this to and voice under the circumstances as a state of emergency or emergency cabinet meetings? No, you are calling for such things under a natural disaster or something serious has happened. So you need to find quick solution. To it. Yeah, how urgent is this for Ghana to have emergency cabinet meeting to now come and tell us that Atoforsen will speak to us tomorrow? Gary, I don't question. I'm young question. Decisions power.
Marcus, or Becca and naturally.
Okay, they now have a plan to pay them. Johnny emergency cabinet meeting. Now, as I'm pointing to a certain fact. Sure, if you were a Ghanaian or you were a Ghanaian and you ever doubt that MPP didn't do anything for you, just look at this scenario. Boys, yenya world crisis biao. There hasn't been any world crisis. Now the next time no nya COVID. As at 2022, the whole of airports, they were closed. Did you see that workers were not paid and they called for an emergency meeting to look at how to pay Ghanaians?
No.
And this is just one sector. Cocoa, just cocoa. Today, Ghana. And you just imagine that any natural disaster hitting Ghana for 3 months, what will be the fate of Ghanaians? Wait, I assure there, COVID, Nyamemon Perihan. Into Mahama, also for COVID 6 months, where we need to close our borders. Ghanaians, are we going to survive?
Sure.
Are we going to survive under these people? Reckless, incompetent, the brebenyin pejenjay abana government or a yufu olo majitolo in wura danya banya yakofa botu yedi. Baby, as a people, where we have gotten ourselves to. Ne cocoa farmers, no, they be America, Messi, Obiara over for 1 million, $quarter iPhone 13. Our cycle, no, a this key soap baby fee, key soap na yada befi no. We thought we were smart. Cocoa farmers in Ghana or Ghanaians in general, we thought we were smart and we were punishing Akufo-Addo. Nti for 1 million that you got iPhone 17 Pro Max. No one mean key soup near there before no. Now who cause some? Akufo-Addo Abba. You this cocoa sector, you knew what was happening. Woluche cocoa trees to go form. Why your hand pollination? Why your pruning? Employing extension officers? Why you free spraying? They were giving you sacks. They moved your salary, increased it from 470 something to 3,100. And yet, because of greed, 1 million, or they called the iPhone 17, greed. So NDC came and promised. I heard Yabba. Akufo-Addo is cheating you people. He's stealing your money. And the Yabba. Yabba on 6,000 or 7,000. So the cocoa farmers thought they were smart. They would not even remember where they were. Whatever increment, whatever improvement they received under the SY government, it was unnecessary. They are very smart people. Until let's vote against the people who were helping us with all of this. Na yanko no one but no cocoa no 6,000 7,000 na nyanyam for so dufu na yankodi na John Mahama or the key soap or the one iPhone no what they turn on the wall come no no what they turn ho no will come no na sisi ayaba na de adini the key soap na be fie wi e community bi ba di won pa o e community ba di mo na mo di esuanya nsa bi Nobody wishes evil on anybody. Obi na sisi ampono yaka de wonti Hon Ken John ma onye sikani bia na obotia. Inti Uncle John sikani de pebi na botia. But in the meantime, sisi AyƐka said down say ye cocoa farmer, brace yourself up. Because sikano ashe sikana ashe kila ntia na nyine nam no. Kila ntia mahama. Odibo tia wu de misikano nko wadibokwa kaye NDC. What can they? So my brother, you let me finish. So I'm sorry that I'm laughing, but
No problem.
kill it, that's why I do. Mama, that's why I do.
That's it. Thank you for that one. That is what we bargain for.